So guys, we have a matrix and we have to traversal this matrix in circular way. Like we have to go up first, and then we have to go left to right, up to down, top to bottom, like this. Okay, we have to print like this. So how can we print like this? Before moving going forward, we have to understand some basic points, like this is the left pillar, which is in the left. This is the left pillar and this is the right pillar. It is left and this is the right pillar. Okay, and this is top and this is bottom. So we have to declare these 4 points to solve this question. Before moving forward, we can assume like I can explain from the basic. When we go left to right, the value increases, and when we go right to left, the value is decreasing, and when we go top to bottom, value will be increasing, and when we go bottom to top, value will be decreasing, because you know the indexes 0 1 2 3 4, 0 1 2 3, 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, so in that way we have to declare. So what is the value of top? Top equals to 0. Suppose this is square matrix, n cross n square matrix. Okay, so top equals to 0, and what is the value of bottom? Bottom equals to n minus 1, and the value of right, left equal to again 0, because this is the most left side. So the value of left is 0, and the value of right again n minus 1. Okay, right equals to n minus 1. Now what we have to do, we have to firstly go in this way, bottom to top. So we can use a loop for iterating all these elements. Okay, for I equals to bottom, we have to go bottom to top. I equals to bottom, I guys, here you can observe that bottom is always greater, and top is always less than. So I greater than equal to top, and I minus, because the when we go up, value will be decreasing, and we have to print. What we have to print here changes, the value of row changes. In this, the value of row changes and the value of column remains the same on the first left pillar. Okay, so I and left, because this is left pillar. After that, we cover all these items, we cover all these elements 13, 9, 5 and 1. Now we have to cover 2, 3 and 4. So when we go left to right, then it will repeated. That's why we increases the left pillar, left plus plus. Okay, left plus plus. Now we have to move from left to right, the top pillar, left to right. So for that we can use 4. I equals to left, and right is always greater, guys, because in starting I told you right is when we go left to right, it's increasing, and that means right is greater than the left. So I less than equal to right is always greater, and I plus plus. Okay, and what we have to print, you can see, guys, in this the row remains the same and the value of column always changes. So row remains the same, that's why this is the top row and I. Okay, and then top plus plus, because when we go down increases, top plus plus. Okay, guys, now we have to move top to bottom. Now we cover this element and this element. and after top plus plus we can start from here. Okay, now what we have to do, top 4 I equals to top, and bottom is always greater, I less than equal to bottom I plus plus. Okay guys, and what we have to print, you can see in this the value of column remains same and the value of changes only row value changes, so I and right. Okay, and this is the right pillar, that's why right minus minus, because when we go here left to right plus plus, now right minus minus. Okay, now this element, this element, this element will be covered in this loop. Now we have to move here to here, right to left. Okay, to cover the element 15 and 14. So what we have to do, run a loop I equals to right, right is always greater, I greater than equal to left, and I minus minus, because when we go right to left value decreases. Okay, and what we have to print, row remains the same in this, in the last row we have to print 15 and 14, row remains the same, so remains the same, that means bottom and I column changes. Okay, and what we have to do, bottom minus minus, because when we go up decreases. Okay, so bottom minus minus. Now you can observe guys, we print all these elements, we print all these elements side by side, but the inner element we didn't cover it, right, right. So what we have to do, we have to again move bottom to top, left to right, top to bottom, right to left again, so we can use loop. Okay, so we use loop in the first. Firstly take a count variable, because we have to count in the 4x4 matrix there are total 16 elements, right? So we have to take a count variable, count equals to n cross n. Okay, so use while loop here, while count less than n cross n less than equal to n cross n, then our loop will run, closes. Okay, and again one point, the very crucial and major point, we have to track count here also, count plus plus, because on the first iteration, when we go bottom to top, we covered 4 elements, right? We covered 4 elements, so in the first loop we cover 4 elements, and when we go left to right we covered 3 elements, 2 3 and 4, 3 elements in this loop. And again when we go 3 elements on second loop, and when we go top to bottom again we covered these 3 elements, right? We covered 3 elements here, and again we covered 2 elements. So in when we use loop, it tracks our count. When count goes greater than equal to n cross 1, goes greater than 16, when count goes greater than 16, then we have to break the loop. Okay, we have to break the loop, close the loop, right? I hope you understand guys. If you have any doubt still remaining, you can comment, and in short I can explain. This is the summary actually, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. When we have to go top, so use a loop I equals to bottom, and we have to go top is always less, so I greater than equal to top is always less. See the sign guys, see the sign, top is always less, and I minus minus. Print, what we have to print column remains same, only the value of row changes, I, and this is the left pillar, left, and track the count variable, count plus plus, and then what we have to do, left plus plus. Okay guys, left plus plus, and for here to here what we have to do, I equals to left, I less than equal to bottom, because bottom is always greater, no, right, because right is always greater than the left, and I plus plus. Understand guys? And what we have to print, row remains the same, so top and I, and we have to track count variable, count plus plus, and top plus plus, yeah, top plus plus. Again we can do for this and use while loop here for tracking count less than equal to n cross n. Okay, understand guys? I hope you understand. Thank you.